Yay, cat makeup! I've always wanted to do a get ready with me where I'm doing cat makeup and chatting instead of doing normal makeup. And I thought this was a great time to do it because I just finished making this wig. I'm rather proud of it. It is a Kanekalon based, which is like fake hair wig that I made. I made it for someone who commissioned it, and I'm gonna do freestyle makeup to go along with it. So dark gray colors, but it's female characters, so maybe like monkey strap mixed with Jemima. I don't know. Jemima. This was on my long list of things to do before baby arrives, so I'm really glad it's done. So let's get into it. Snazaroo water-based face paint that is fairly inexpensive compared to like theater quality stuff, and because it's water-based, it's good for sensitive skin and it's easy to take off, which when you're not doing this for stage or even for like a con, you know, or if you're doing it for a con, you know, water-based is like my choice because it's only on my skin for a short amount of time and I want to take it off quick, so. I guess I'm just doing the generic, like, Jellicle face that I know how to do. I can't remember the last time I did cat makeup, honestly. It had to have been before I got pregnant. Insert photo of my last cat makeup excursion and when I did it. So I'm gonna do black and then I'm gonna go over it with white to make it gray. I don't know if it's going to work, but hopefully it will. We shall see. This is always my least favorite part. Like, I hate doing the like base, you know, like I feel like that's my weak spot, is like the base face paint. I think because I use, you know, water-based, it can tend to look splotchy and I don't like even notice till I take like photos of it. And I know like the trick is just going over it a lot of different times and having a lot of layers, but I used to do the lining, like the details, with eyeliner, like when I was starting out, because I had more control than like the brush, and I still think that that can create like a really great look. Sometimes the brush, if you have a cheap brush, which I do have cheap brushes, can kind of get all over the place and your lines end up being very uncontrolled. I don't know what I'm doing. So one thing about YouTube is that I don't know if you've noticed, but I haven't been uploading on a regular schedule on this channel, and I haven't been posting that many videos. Okay, so I filmed like 5 videos in the past 2 months, and every time I went to go edit them, I felt uneasy about the situation, and I think a lot of it is because it was unscripted, like this video, and honestly a little worried about this video ever seeing the light of day, because the only videos I've managed to upload recently have been my Thanksgiving video and my Project for Awesome video. Thanksgiving video was planned out with bullet points, and the Project for Awesome video was entirely scripted. This is not, and those past 5 videos that I never uploaded also weren't. One was about moving because we moved to a different house. 2 were pregnancy updates, and then 1 was just a normal get ready with me. And I don't know, this is more fun for me, so maybe I wasn't having as much fun making those videos, so when it went to edit them, I was very uninspired. Maybe it was imposter syndrome. Maybe I was sitting there being like, why would anyone want to watch this? And I haven't felt that way about YouTube in like 10 years. So I don't know if I'm finally getting to this point where I'm expecting more of myself and of my videos, or if I'm growing out of it. I don't know. I'm having a lot of fun right now, and I think this is going to be a fun video to edit, but I think honestly it's the pregnancy hormones. I think I'm just like emotionally unstable, and I can't bring myself to get out there anymore. I've pulled back a lot on other social media of just sharing things. I've gotten very personal about my life. I don't know, it's not something I expected. I did not see this coming. My sort of withdrawal from the internet. And you know, maybe that'll continue to happen. Like, I like making vlogs and personal content and kind of just being very unscripted and fun, but at the same time I think what might make me happier is if I had more polished stuff that I was doing. You know, things with a more clear defined purpose than just sort of my, you know, YouTube is this hobby and I just make whatever I want and see if anybody cares. Ooh. I don't know. And not really, like, I don't necessarily mean I need to have like YouTube goals right off the bat, but like maybe more defined like video formats. Like, I guess this is one, like cat makeup, chatting and doing cat makeup, but like, I don't know. I have some ideas. I don't know how soon I'll be able to try them out, of course. But I do have some ideas for things that I could do that would sort of fulfill that, like, this is, it's like a series, you know? And purpose. I don't know what I'm doing. This is a very interesting makeup. Anyways, I am very close to having my baby. That's something that is happening very soon, and I will be taking maternity leave from work and from probably like everything else that's not baby related. So there'll be another break on this channel, but I do have a video where I show you how I make this wig, so that's probably going to go up after this video. It's kind of like a Totoro cat, I think that's what's happening. Let me give it freckles. kind of cute. I think I might be done. I don't want to go overboard with this one. Yeah, I like it. It's different. So yeah, I literally used 2 colors. I guess the lips is a 3rd color. 2 Snazzer colors, black and white, and silver on the lips. This is a very simple look, and you might want to do some mascara if you're doing a queen, or I guess male cats can wear mascara too. That's just fine. Oh, you can't even really see. Usually I'd wear false lashes for a look like this, but I don't have any right now, and I'm going to take this off as soon as this video is done. So, yeah, what's going on in my life? I'm mega pregnant. I'm trying to find my voice when it comes to YouTube. I'm not ready to throw in the towel, but I think I want some sort of update, format change. I don't know. It's still going to be very cats related for sure. That's where I started. That's where the whole thing started. So that's where it will continue. I am going to make a video about this year's Broadway Con soon. So if you have questions about that, please ask me. I will be sure to answer those in that video. Oh, this is cute. I like it. I don't know what the commissioner's gonna do with her makeup for this character, but here's like a cute, simple idea. Now, normally I would powder this if I was going out and about in convention world, but I'm not, so I'm not gonna. I can't even like see because I don't have my glasses on. Like what it looks like. I can see in this mirror, but in like the camera, like, oh, it's cute.